If you have a B7 Audi key, it's really easy to change the battery, but you also need to reprogram the key. If the battery is dead, you replace the battery, it won't immediately work with the car. Changing the battery is super quick, and reprogramming, it's also really quick when you know how to do it. All you need to do to change the battery is take a screwdriver, pry up on it, and open the cover, and there's the battery. Now, it might be a little tricky to find the right size battery. The right size is a CR2032, and this is a CR2016. The only difference between these batteries is the thickness of the battery. The 2016 is a thinner battery, but it's still a 3-volt battery. The CR2032 is a thicker battery, but it's also a 3-volt. So I just added a little bit of a spacer in there so that it'll actually touch the contacts. We'll put it together. The positive side of the battery just pushes in there. Line it up and push it in. Check and make sure that red light flashes. But now if I go and try to pop the trunk, I can see that that red light is flashing, but nothing's happening. You need to reprogram it now. Now inside, what we're gonna do, I'll explain the process, then I'll do it. We're gonna hold down the unlock button, put it in the ignition, and turn it on to the accessory mode. And then 3 seconds later, let off, and then you can turn off and it should be paired. Now we'll do it, so we'll hold down the unlock button, put it in, twist it, hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go of the button, turn it off. Now we'll try opening the trunk. There we go. And it also works, we can lock the car, unlock it. That's the process of how to change the battery and reprogram it on a B7 Audi. This is a 2006 Audi A4, and I'd imagine the process is pretty similar for even years beyond that or before it.